Automatic repair from USB in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, select a boot item starting with UEFI on the boot menu screen and then boot from your SanDisk. As shown on picture, you'll find SanDisk in UEFI. After doing that, simply you'll find Windows Setup. Then go to Advanced Options screen about rebooting 3 times and you can visit Start your PC in safe mode in Windows from a black or blank screen. For more detailed boot from device USB boot, then you need to select Repair your computer in the installation interface, then Troubleshoot. After clicking on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Option as shown on your computer. After that, you're good to go. That's how you automatic repair from USB in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.